Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will be showing you step by step how to start dropshipping in South Africa. So I will give you every details on legal, taxes, and many more things that you really want to know. So alright, first, if you don't have a Shopify account, I will leave the link in the description of this video first. So first, make sure you create your store. Make sure you create your Shopify account first, and then right here you will choose your country, South Africa. So when you finish create your Shopify account, next you will follow this tutorial to start with the Shopify store. So I will tell you everything you need to know. Alright, how to start a Shopify dropshipping store in South Africa. So right here I had everything you need to know. First, introduction to Shopify dropshipping. The first thing you need is Shopify is a landing e-commerce platform that allow you to create an online store. And then the second is dropshipping is a business model where you sell product without holding any inventory. So basically you can import the product from China from website like AliExpress to start as your supplier for your product. Three is South Africa offer unique opportunities for e-commerce due to its growing internet penetration. So make sure you know that as well. Alright, next is the legal consideration in South Africa. So what you will need legally to start a dropshipping store on South Africa is first register your business with a company and intellectual property commission, which they call CIPC. So you will need to register your business as a entity or single member LLC or sole propriety with CIPC. And then the second one is obtain a VAT number if your annual turnover exceed 1 million ZAR. So if you make more than 1 million, I think that is the South African currency. If you pass 1 million in sales, you will have to create a VAT. So I assume that if you start, you will not make that much money yet. You can start with the first option. And then the third option is ensure compliance with the Protocol Protection of Personal Information Act, which is POPIA. So this is Protection of Personal Information Act for adding customer data. So there is a certain rule that you need to follow basically when it comes to messing with the data of your customer, which is illegal. You cannot sell those data to other websites. So make sure you keep that in mind. And then the fourth option is adhere to your consumer protection law, including the Consumer Protection Act, which is very similar to that one. So you have to respect your customer privacy. So let's say your customer put his card information or address, you should keep all those private. So make sure you keep that in mind. Okay, also next, setting up your payment and shipping. So first, integrate local payment gateway like PayFast. This is one of the best payment gateway in South Africa. PayFast, and then Yoko, another one, or Ozo to accept the currency payment, to accept ZAR payment. So if you want to accept any payment, you need to integrate one of these to your Shopify store. You can go on YouTube, you check how to integrate PayFast, Yoko, or Ozo to Shopify. So and then after you integrate your payment, you will able to receive any payment with your store. And then the second thing you will do is consider using PayPal for international customers. So if you want someone from another country to buy from your store, you can use PayPal for them. But for your local customer, you will use one of those options. And then thirdly, partner with reliable carrier service for domestic shipping. So if you go to Alibaba, make sure you use good carrier service to transport your product so your customer can get the product on time, so you don't have any headache down the road. So which is very important for your rating on your store. And then lastly, for international shipping, consider service like DHL or FedEx. And this is some of the more popular one. DHL and FedEx are one of the two most popular shipping service for international. So this is everything you will need for the payment and shipping to start with Shopify. Alright, now lastly, you will have to marketing your Shopify store, and then make sure you utilize social media platform like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to reach your target audience. And then secondly, consider running pay ads on Google and social media to drive your traffic. You can even start a YouTube channel posting video of your actual product to promote your product. And then third, you can use your email marketing tool like Klaviyo or MailChimp to engage engage with customer. You can use those on your store to engage with customer. Anytime you drop something new, you email them and let them know that you have a new product and share that you can get some new sales from get-go. So the last one is optimize your website for SEO so you can work higher on search engine. So anytime someone look for a product in your niche, your store will be showing up and the search result will drive more sales. So this is basically it. I will start dropshipping in South Africa. I hope this video did help you guys. If it did, so subscribe and turn the bell notification. Also, don't forget to click the link in the description. You will get 3-day free, and then 1 month you will pay $1 per month with Shopify. So I will be appreciated. It's an affiliate link if you find this video helpful. So yeah guys, if you have something in mind, just don't wait, just start. You don't know when you will get the chance to follow your dream. So yeah, if you want to start your store, don't wait on it, just start. You can see the result right away.